What if your mind could shape your reality starting today? Right now, I'm going to give you all the tools you need to finally understand how you can easily reprogram your mind using visualization backed by real psychology, not wishful thinking. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools you can use to rewire your brain and shape the way you experience reality. You'll learn simple techniques that can help you break negative thought loops, install new habits, and train your mind to focus on what you truly want. It's not magic. It's mental training. And science backs it up. When you imagine something vividly, your brain activates the same neural pathways as it would during the actual experience. That means to your subconscious mind, imagining success is almost the same as experiencing it. And when you repeat these visualizations over time, your brain begins to accept them as part of your identity. Let's break it down. Your mind is constantly running internal programs. These are beliefs, memories, emotional patterns, many of which were formed in childhood or during intense life moments. The problem? Most of these programs run automatically. You react instead of choosing how to respond. That's where visualization comes in. By practicing visualization, you can interrupt old patterns and install new ones. You become the programmer of your own mind. Here's how to start. Step 1. Clarity. You need to know exactly what you want to experience, feel, or become. Don't just say, I want to be confident. Picture what confidence looks like. Hear your voice speaking clearly. See yourself walking tall. Feel it in your body. Step 2. Repetition. Visualization isn't a one-time fix. Like working out at the gym, your mental muscles need training. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough to start building new pathways in the brain. The more emotion you can bring into it, the faster it sticks. Step 3. Belief. This might sound strange, but you don't need full belief right away. You just need willingness. Even if part of you doubts it, show up daily. The brain is plastic, it changes based on experience and attention. The more you visualize your goal, the more your brain begins to believe it's possible. Let's talk psychology for a moment. The brain doesn't like uncertainty. It prefers predictable patterns even if those patterns are negative. Visualization helps you create a new normal for your subconscious to hold on to. That's why athletes, performers, and top CEOs use visualization daily because it works. Think of your mind like a garden. If you don't plant what you want, weeds will grow by default, old fears, limiting beliefs, doubts. Visualization is how you plant new seeds, water them, and let them grow. You're not lying to yourself. You're choosing to focus on what you want rather than what you fear. Here's a quick example. Let's say you want to become more confident in social situations. Each morning, close your eyes. Picture yourself walking into a room. You make eye contact. You speak calmly. You laugh, you feel relaxed. Practice this every day. Over time, your brain will begin to treat that visualization as reality. And your behavior will follow. That's reprogramming in action. Don't underestimate the power of small, daily habits. One thought won't change your life, but repeated thoughts practiced with emotion and intent will. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. So if you've ever felt stuck, limited, or like your mind is working against you, this is your sign. Start visualizing the version of yourself you want to become. Start today. Start now. Because your mind listens. And what you imagine today can become your reality tomorrow.